Hello viewers, welcome to National Examinations Council NECO 2023 Past Questions and Detailed Solution General Mathematics Paper 2 Part 1 Questions 1 to 5. Answer all questions in this part. Solution to all the questions, the 5 questions in one video. Question 1. P varies directly as the square of Q and inversely as the cube of Z. When P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 3, and Z is equal to 1, find Roman figure 1, the relationship between P, Q, and Z. Roman figure 2, find Z when P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to 5. Solution: P varies directly as Q square and inversely as Z cube. You have it in this form. To continue, we need to replace the symbol of variation with equality sign. As you are doing that, you introduce the constant k of variation. When P is equal to 5, Q is equal to 3, and Z is equal to 1. This information is to enable you find k. You come here and replace them. You have this result, and that is 5 equal to 9k. To get k, divide both sides by 9. To get the relationship between the given variables, you come here and replace k with 5 over 9 in this form. When you divide, 9 comes to meet Z cube. You have it in this form as the relationship between P, Q, and Z. Roman figure 2, find Z when P is equal to 3, Q is equal to 5. You recall the relationship connecting the 3 variables. You replace P and Q with what they stand for. Multiply through by 9 times Z cube to clear fraction. To get Z cube first, divide both sides by 27. That is 3 times 9. You have this result. To get Z, take the cube root of both sides, and you have 5 over 3 as the value of Z. Question 2a. The sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1440 degrees. Roman figure 1. How many sides has the polygon? Roman figure 2. Find the size of each exterior angle. Solution: Roman figure 1. Sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 in brackets times 180 degrees. The sum of the interior angles is given by this value. You equate it to the right hand side. To get n minus 2 first, divide both sides by 180 degrees. You have 8 equal to n minus 2. Transfer 2 to the left hand side. You have 8 plus 2 equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 10 sides. Roman figure 2, each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. You have 360 degrees divided by 10, and that is 36 degrees. Question 2b. Find the principal that will earn 29,880 naira in 15 years at 3% per annum simple interest. Solution. This problem is on simple interest. Simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time over 100 expressed in this form. From the question, interest is equal to this: principal unknown, rate 3%, time 15 years. You come here and replace the known parameters with what they stand for. You have it in this form. Multiply through by 100 to clear fraction. To make P the subject, divide both sides by 3 times 15. You have it in this form. When you divide, you have the principal to be 66,400 naira. Question 3a. The length of the chord AB in the diagram below is 12 cm with center O and angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Find the Roman figure 1 value of theta, Roman figure 2 radius of the circle. Theta is angle at center and it is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Therefore, theta is equal to 2 times 30 degrees equal to 60 degrees. Roman figure 2, radius of the circle can easily be obtained using length of chord formula. Length of chord is equal to 2 times radius sine theta over 2. The length of the chord AB is 12 cm equal to 2 times radius times sine 60 degrees over 2. You have 12 equal to 2 arrow times sine 30 degrees. 12 is equal to 2 arrow times 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is the value for sine 30 degrees. 2 cancel 2. You have 12 equal to arrow. Therefore, arrow is equal to 12 cm. So, OA is equal to OB. 12 cm, the same value as the length of the chord AB. B. Roman figure 1. Calculate the area of the shaded region correct to 3SF. Take pi equal to 22 over 7. Roman figure 2 of part B. What type of triangle is triangle AOB? Solution. The shaded region is a segment. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is equal to theta over 360 degrees times pi arrow square. You have it in this form. If you reduce this fraction, you have 1 over 6 times 22 over 7. 12 square is 144. When you multiply, you have this result, and after division, you have 75.42857 square centimeters. Area of triangle is given by this formula, that is 1 over 2 times 12 square times sine 60 degrees. You have this result, follows by this, and you have 62.352 square centimeters. Therefore, area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle, that is 13.07657. So 3SF, area of the shaded portion or region, is approximately equal to 13.1 square centimeters. Roman figure 2. What type of triangle is triangle AOB? Remember, the radii are equal, 12 cm. AB is also 12 cm. That means all the sides are equal. Therefore, triangle AOB is equilateral triangle since all the sides are equal, 12 cm respectively. Question 4a. Solve the equation, this exponential equation. If you check very well, the common base is base 3. So you express all the bases to base 3. 27 becomes 3 cube to the power of the existing power. Then you use negative index to reverse this to 3 to the power of minus 1. Then the given power 9 becomes 3 square. You have the given power. You can express the powers by opening the bracket. Here becomes 3 power 6s minus 3 minus 1 times this minus is plus. You are left with 3s plus 2. Then you have 3 power 2s plus 6. You simplify the left hand side using multiplication law of indices, which states that when number with the same basis are multiplied, their powers are added. After that, you equate the basis and you have the powers remaining. 6s plus 3s equal to 9s minus 3 plus 2. You have minus 1 equal to 2s plus 6 in this form. You collect like terms. You have 7s equal to 7. Divide through by 7. S is equal to 1. Question 4b. Differentiate, bracket open, 2s square plus 5, bracket close, to the power of 4 with respect to s. Let y equal to the given function. Problems like this are best differentiated using chain rule, which is equal to dy ds equal to dy du times du ds. The term inside the bracket that is raised to the power, you let it equal to u. If you put u in this place, y becomes u power 4 in this form. You differentiate this using power rule to get dy du ds. Du ds, that is 4s. You differentiate this using the same power rule to get dy du. You have 4u cube. Therefore, dy ds is equal to dy du. 4u cube times du ds, 4s. When you multiply, you have 16s u cube. You replace u with what it stands for, and you have 16s bracket open 2s squared plus 5 bracket close to the power of 3. Question 5. In a certain school, the principal gave the analysis of the qualified subject teachers in the school as follows. You have subjects, number of teachers: English 10 teachers, mathematics 8 teachers, physics 4 teachers, French 6 teachers, biology 12 teachers. A part of the question: draw a pie chart to illustrate this information. B. If 2 teachers are to represent the school in a workshop, what is the probability that both will come from either physics or biology? In order to draw the pie chart, we need to convert the number of teachers to angle. So in the next table, you add another column with title sectorial angles. Solution. A part of the question, you have the given table with the third column sectorial angles. To begin, you add all the teachers and you have the total of 40. To convert 10 to the corresponding angle, you divide 10 by total 40 times 360 degrees. That is 90 degrees. To convert 8, you write 8 as 8 over 40 times 360 degrees. That is 72 degrees. To convert 4, you have it in this form: 6 this form, 12 this form. If you add all the angles, the total should be 360 degrees. Next, with your pair of compass, you draw a circle. The pointer of the compass will help you to locate the center of the circle. From the center, you draw a radius to any part of the circumference. Next, you measure the various angles. Let's start with 90 degrees. You place your protractor such that the center will fit in to the center of the circle. The 0 position will be directly on the radius. Then you measure 90 degrees. When you are done with this, the 0 position, you put it at this point. The center is here. From 0, you measure 72 degrees. When you are done with this, the 0 position, you shift it to this line. The center is here. From 0, you measure 36 degrees, and so on. B, probability, either physics or biology, is equal to probability physics plus probability biology, or shows addition rule. Here we are interested in the number of physics teachers and biology teachers. That is frequency of physics over sum of frequency total teachers plus frequency of biology over sum of all the teachers. Number of physics teachers, they are 4. You have 4 here over total teachers 40 plus biology teachers 12 over total of 40. You have like fractions. You simply add the numerators. You have it in this form. That is 16 over 40, which reduces to 2 over 5.